Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Okay, so now I am about to do a little maintenance to the truck before we're gonna get it washed. Let's put on a head light, or a head, what is it called? A freightliner cascada hood mirror glass for the right side. Make sure you get right side or whatever side you need. It comes in a box like this from Amazon. Just see how it looks. Let me see it. Let's get it back. Okay, let's put it in. Got a mirror again. Oh, it's in there. It's on there. Let me see. For all things trucking, engage from the bottom up and hit that little plus button to come back and see me.